in Chennai because they are telling 2 days are heavy and I want to take at least Saturday, Sunday. That's why suddenly I taken. There is heavy rain because no current means, but I can't do anything. At least if time is there, we can complete. Okay, yeah. There are like unit one, two videos I sent you. Actually, that mechanical B class one video and separate playlist is there for BSc, BE, BTech matrices. That is separate video I prepared for everyone. If you want, you can see separate or class video also. If you want, you can see that is mechanical B session class. What I am taken there, I uploaded. Both you can see, but this video list is enough. Playlist BE, BTech. Just roughly I will give your outline. First is what we will deal with eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Am I audible? Okay.
Audible, sir. Everything is fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. A lot of things are there. Applications now. I don't want to tell you this. I want to go fast. See, if they ask to find eigenvalues, eigenvector means what? To find the characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation means? Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. That is called characteristic equation. They will generally I will write CH equation. Okay. Actually, eigen means what is the meaning? Characteristic. Eigen means what is the meaning? Characteristic. So this is called characteristic equation. Lot of explanation there. I don't want to confuse you now. Slowly I will do the skeleton of the problem. Then for finding eigenvalues, they will do the matrix, some matrix. To find eigenvalues, first I will do eigenvalues. Once if I know eigenvalues, how to find eigenvectors I will do today. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Then tomorrow somebody little bit we do. Okay. Then eigenvalues, how will they will do one matrix. Shall we start directly one matrix by doing the problem? I'll explain. Up here clear. Characteristic equation is what we will write. A minus lambda is equal to 0. Determinant. Not this is not a matrix. This is not a matrices. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Very good. Just you can talk sometime. If you answer me, so you can go. Matrices. Okay. There will give problem. Note down. Find the eigenvalues in eigenvector of this. This is called what? Determinant of A minus lambda is called characteristic equation. Note down question. Find the eigenvalues in eigenvector of eigenvalues and vectors of find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of one matrix is given A. Correct? To find eigenvalues, I want to find a characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is what? A minus lambda. How you will prepare A minus lambda? On diagonal, you can put minus lambda, minus lambda, minus lambda. Clear? So they will give one matrix. If they have asked to find eigenvalues means what you will do? First you can find the characteristic equation. This is the first problem we are doing. Find the eigenvalues and the eigenvector. They are given one matrix already. From this they are asking what is the eigenvalue, eigenvector. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear?
Clear, sir.
You have to answer. Then only I can go.
Yes, sir, but the board is not clear, sir.
It's clear only.
It's not clear. Maybe your network
Sir,
problem.
clear, sir.
Network problem maybe you have.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Compared to previous class, today clear, sir. Very clear.
because that board I know don't want to write actually on that scribbling board actually. I don't like that's why I'm taking this board. Otherwise I can do an
Yes, sir.
split
Now
again.
clear, sir.
Okay. Maybe it's sometime it focuses on my face actually. That time maybe disturb will come automatically to adjust. Okay, yeah. Try to adjust, sir. Actually, okay.
Yes, sir. Today's are very clear.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now up to here clear. Note down fast. Note down fast. Now okay. Given matrix A given. Just listen, sir. First. A is you can read you 2 2 0 2 1 1 1 minus 7 2 minus 3. To find eigenvalues, what I will do? Characteristic equation. I will. Shall I rub off top fully?
Rub, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like this you can speak. Whenever I can do something. Then A minus lambda is equal to I will write. This is not matrix. Carefully remember. This is a determinant. A minus lambda is equal to determinant of. On diagonal you can do 2 minus lambda 2 0. In matrices after that I am subtracting in two matrices. A is one matrix, lambda is one matrix. After that what matrix I am getting, for that matrix I am taking determinant. Clear? A minus lambda is 2 1 minus lambda 1 minus 7 2 minus 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Because characteristic equation is always A minus lambda is equal to 0. Now this 3 by 3 matrix determinant, can you expand on a 3 by 3 order? How you will do this fellow into AD minus BC, minus 2 into leave this row, this column, AD minus BC, 0 into leave this row, this column. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But this I don't want to go in that way. How I will expand means you see. This is equal to directly I will write, because this 3 by 3 matrix means what? I will get the equation third order degree. Third degree equation I will get. I will get the third degree equation. So how I will write means what? Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 is equal to 0. This I will expand and what I will get in this shape I will get. Now my job is what? If I am able to tell what is my S1, S2, S3, my job is over. Clear? Not done fast if you want. This equation if I expand what I will get, sir? Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 is equal to 0. Now who is S1? Trace sum of the diagonal elements. S1 is what? A11 plus A22 plus A33. Now tell what is the S1, tell me.
0.
Very good. Now clear or not? So I don't want to write the values also. If you want, you can write 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. S2. Mine are of diagonal elements. M11 plus M22 plus M33. Already you have studied cofactor. Cij is equal to how you will write cofactor of ith row, jth column equal to minus 1 power I plus j into minor. This you can start with plus, minus, plus. For finding adjoint matrix, you got cofactor or not? Remember or not? To find A inverse means what you will do? Adjoint A of A, determinant of A. To find adjoint of A, what you will do first? Cofactor matrix you will take. Cofactor of 2 plus. Leave the minus plus. Start with minus plus minus. Start with plus minus plus R. Diagonal elements plus remaining minus. Remember or not?
Yes, sir. 12th standard, sir.
That is, don't worry about it. Minor means there is no plus minus. But diagonal elements always plus only. There, if it is minor or cofactor, same thing. So, diagonal elements of minor means what? The minor of 2 is what? Leave this row, this column. AD minus BC. What you will get? Tell me. Minus 3, minus 2. How much? Getting or not?
Minus 5.
AD minus BC. Clear or not? I am finding M11. Minus 3, minus 2.
Minus 5.
Cofactor of 2. Correct? Then tell me minus 5. Then cofactor of this 1. 1 is having is what? This row, this column. Leave it. Leave this row, this column. Then 2 into minus 3, 6. 0 into anything into 0. So what is the value?
Minus 6.
Then cofactor of minus 3. Minus 3 means what? Leave this column, leave this row. So what you will get? This fellow you will get. Getting or not? So
2 minus 4. Minus
very
2.
good. Minus 2. Now tell me, sir, what is the answer?
Minus 13, sir.
Very good. Now S3. Now who is S3? Determinant
Determinant.
of. Very good. Find determinant. Find. Tell me determinant and find. Tell me fast. Try to do simply now. Two into this minus 2 into this. What is determinant? Tell me. Minus 12, sir. Check.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Same answer. Minus 4.
Minus 12.
Yes, sir.
Minus 12. Now come back and substitute what you will get. Lambda cube. S1 is what? Waste 0. S2, S3. Substitute, come on. What is the equation? Tell me.
Lambda cube minus 13 lambda plus 12.
Now this you can solve actually. How you will solve third degree means what? First you have to bring to the second degree. For bringing second degree, what you will do? Method of induction. Put lambda is equal to plus 1, lambda is equal to minus 1, lambda is equal to plus 2, lambda is equal to minus 2. If it is 0 means you can stop. Then you will get one root. Once if you get the one root means what? Find the remaining two roots. Now check what value it's become 0. Put lambda is equal to 1. What is become?
0.
So when we put lambda is equal to 1 means what? 0. Means lambda is equal to 1 is what? One root. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you put lambda is equal to 1, 0 means what? Lambda is equal to 1 is one root. From third degree already I got one root. So remaining is what? Second degree. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come on. Now matrices again you have to tell me, sir, I am rubbing actually. So lambda is equal to 1 means what? This equation 0 means what? Lambda is 1 is 1 root. So this whole equation, how can I write? Lambda minus 1 into something. This something I want to prove that, find out. Correct or not? Lambda is equal to 1 root means what? Lambda minus 1 is a factor. Factor is different, root is different. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So lambda is equal to 1 is 1 root, but lambda minus 1 is a factor. So factor is different. This is what? Root is different. So this second degree I want to find out. How you will find second degree? You know synthetic division. 1 you can write. Then lambda cube coefficient 1, lambda square 0, lambda coefficient minus, constant is 12. Always 1 below you can write 0. This question mark I want to find out. Correct? 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Then minus 12 into 1, minus 12. If it is root, so remainder should be 0. This is already you have studied in 9th standard, remainder theorem, factor theorem. Suppose if you get something means what? You get remainders other than means it's not a factor. Studied or not? In 8th standard, 9th standard, factor theorem, remainder theorem. So this lambda minus 1 into this, you can start with the second degree. This how can you write? Lambda square, lambda minus 12. Correct, sir? So whole equation how can I write? Tell me. Lambda minus 1, lambda square plus lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Copy down fast. Now this you can break actually. Multiply means if you get minus 12, add means plus 1. So what will you tell me? What will you get? Minus 3 plus 4 can you write?
Lambda minus
Yes, sir.
3,
Minus
lambda
4.
plus 4.
Minus 4, comma, plus 3, sir.
Root, no. I am writing factor.
Minus
So
3
minus
plus 4,
3
sir.
plus 4.
Minus
So
3
that
plus
what
4,
we
sir.
get, I can write lambda minus 3. I agree. Multiply means minus 12. Add means what? Plus 1. Root
Yes,
is
sir.
different fact. So don't confuse with root and factor. That you can remember, keep in mind always. Now factors are what? Tell me. So these fellows are eigenvalues are characteristic roots. Both are same meaning. Clear? So to find eigenvalues, what you will do? Find characteristic equation. Determinant of characteristic equation is equal to 0. Always taken for granted. In diagonals, you can put minus lambda, expand determinant. Solve that equation, that characteristic equation. If you solve, you will get what? Characteristic roots are eigenvalues. Up to here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, right. To find eigenvector, now only story will start. Copy down up to here, Shalabha. Shalabha.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you should attend. Suppose if I call anyone extra classes, it's better if you attend. Don't miss. Already you are late joining. Don't miss this opportunity. Because cycle test only how to write. And internal marks are very, very important. cycle test 1 10 marks, cycle test 2 15 marks, cycle test 3 15, then assignment and surprise is 10 marks. This together 50. Internal marks are 50, external marks is 50. That's main exam. So this is very, very important. So if anyway this is if you write properly means for getting better grade it should be useful. So don't lose the marks actually. Right. To find eigenvector, what I will do is what? A minus lambda I into x. This is the eigenvector matrix that I want to find out. Previously, characteristic equation means what I am telling, sir? Determinant telling. This is what matrix is. Don't confuse. That is determinant means for some numerical value. Matrix is not a numerical value. Matrix is an arrangement. Some arrangement. I will follow some strict rules and I will write the matrices. So don't confuse with matrices and determinant. Clear? Now write. What is my A? Tell me. A minus lambda I. What is A?
Already we have found, sir. 2
Right,
minus
right,
lambda.
No. Right on diagonal 2 minus lambda 2 0. Then what will you get? 2. You are not copied down then. 1 minus. This x1 I will take. This is. Now correct. This is 3 by 3 matrix, this 3 by 1 matrix. So if you multiply what again what we get 3 by 1 you will get. Ax is equal to b, you solved, x is equal to a minus b, same thing. If I want to find x1, x2, x3. Okay. Now first case is what, sir? What is the lambda?
Minus 4.
How many values I got lambda values?
1, 3 minus 4.
One value I will find out, then I will find the eigenvectors. For lambda is equal to 1, this is the eigenvector. Lambda is equal to this is the eigenvector like this. Correct? So when lambda is equal to 1, substituted here lambda is equal to 1, what will you get? Tell me. A you can keep always here. From A, what will you get? Tell me. 2 minus 1 is what? 1.
1.
2. Now multiplying equations you can find what you will get. What is this? X1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. 2x1 plus x3 is equal to 0. Minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 4x3 is equal to 0. Are you agree with me? Actually, for your lower standard, this they will bring to this Ax is equal to b, some constant means what x is equal to a must be. I'm going back actually. I'm bringing back to the equations. Now, can you able to solve x1, x2, x3? Because I want 3 unknowns, 3 equations that I can able to do. Correct or not? Yes or no? Up here clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, one thing you can remember. While doing this, you can see, suppose this equation is equal to this equation, any 2 equations means what? Don't take. Because all you will get 0, 0. So, if different 2 equations you can take, this how you will solve means what you can write, better always x1, x2, x3. Right? Coefficients, x1 coefficient is what? 1, 2. x2 coefficient is what? 2, 0. Here no x2. Then this is what? 0, 1. Agree? Take any two equations. Suppose this is 1, 2. Same means what? This is what? 2, 1. Again, if you multiply by 2 means what? Same equations means don't take, or multiples also don't take. Different equations you can take. Suppose I am having one equation like this. Both are same or not? First fellow multiply by 2 means second I'm getting. Correct or not?
Yes, sir, both are same.
So like that, don't take actually. Different equations you can take here, no problem. 3 are different. Any two you can take. Then coefficients you can write. X1 coefficient, X2 coefficient, X3 coefficient. These are all story why I am doing to find the eigenvector.
See, like that, if they both are same, then what we should do, sir?
What?
If both are same, what we should do, sir?
Don't take. That is different story. Good. That I will tell you later.
Okay, sir.
Now time being can keep in your mind. Don't take, both are same. That I will tell you after tomorrow I will tell you, don't worry. That is different case. It will come actually. Okay, yeah. But while doing means what? Same means don't take. If 3 are same means what? We cannot escape. That time I will do how to attack. Here no, there is no 3 equal. Then I can go smoothly. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Now, clear. Take any two equations, coefficients you can write x1, x2, x3, then you can write x1 by, always you can do minus x2, then x3. But in your small schools level, what you will do? You will start with second coefficient. Second, then third, then first, then again repeated. Like this, you will remember determinant method. Solving the determinant method, the rule of cross multiplication, they will tell in 10th class CBSE. Solving the equations. You will get x plus y plus is equal to 12 means what? First you will write y equation, y coefficients, then constants, then x coefficient, then y coefficient. Then no need to write minus because I am taking you already or reached to engineering level. Just directly I am attacking. So x1, x2, x3. x1 means what? Leave this. Then what you will get? AD minus BC. Tell me what you will get?
2, sir.
2. x2 always you can go minus here. Leave this fellow. What you will get?
2, sir.
Hey, 2 ah. 1
1,
into
sir.
1.
x3
Minus 4.
minus 4. Suppose if it is repeated means what? That you can cancel actually. 2, 4, 8 means what you will take? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4 you can take. Nothing will happen. Correct? Now x1 is equal to, tell me, 2 minus 1 minus 4. If it is repeated means cancel. Now from this what you understanding? When lambda is equal to 1, eigenvector is what? 2 minus 1 minus 4. Note down fast. Take any two different equations, a minus lambda x, then coefficients you can write. X1 means leave this x1, always you can write for x2 minus 2, then x3. Copy down fast. Come on. You have already textbook I sent you in that link, classroom I posted on a textbook, Veerarajan.
Yes, sir, you post engineering mathematics.
That is actually, it will be useful for first year and second semester, first sem and second sem. Take your syllabus, module you can see which topics are there that you can, with the pencil you can tick or the topics you can see, don't say other than topics. What I am telling eigenvalues means that eigenvalue topic you can take, one problem you can do yourself today. At least you will understand where you are standing. Clear, sir? Shall I above here? Copied, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I above? Now again, this A1 you can keep with you. Now second eigenvalue is what? When lambda is equal to what is next value? If lambda is equal to 3. From A what I will get, tell me? What will get? Lambda is equal to 3 means what will get? What will get?
-1,
Very good. -1, 2, 0,
0, 2,
2,
-2, sir.
1, -7, 2,
0, -6.
then equation what you will get, tell me? -x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 6x3 is equal to 0. Now again better we can take first two equations because when small coefficients are so less numbers I can multiply easily. If you take 2 and 3 also you will get 1 and 3 also and take. Don't feel why he is taking always 1 and 2 only. That is your wish. If you take 2 and 3 means for somewhat big numbers. Automatically will cancel it, same answer you will get. It's not a big deal. Because I will choose small coefficient means that I will go nicely. Now come on tell me x1, x2, x3. x1 coefficient is what, tell me sir? -1, 2, 0. This fellow is what? 2, -2, 1. Clear? Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Then, right, now how we will write x1 by is equal to -x2 by is equal to x3. x1 by this you can do ad minus b, 2. x2 means leave x2 -1. x3 means what? Leave this fellow -2 -4. So -6. Minus will cancel. So x2 is equal to what? 2, 1 minus 6. Lambda is equal to 3 means what? 2. Such is correct or not? Sorry, this is not 6. Minus into minus plus again 4. So 2 minus 4 is what? -2, correct? AD minus BC. This is 2 minus plus. So 2 minus 4. So, correct, sir? Check, sir. Don't drop it down blindly. You also check. Now clear? Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now third value is what? Copy down fast. So this is the story of to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Here eigenvalues are not repeated. If eigenvalues repeated means again different story is there. That we can later. Slowly first you can concentrate this.
Coming Monday during class time, we have
No,
technique
not
test
class
one.
time. Evening, after 6 o'clock. Don't worry.
Oh, okay, sir.
6 to 7 you will have. I will tell you, don't worry, I will inform the time. Because I want to conduct mechanical C and B also. Both classes I want to conduct. Clear? Now next last value is equal to lambda is equal to what, sir? Till above.
Last value lambda equal to -4, sir.
Right. Come on. Lambda is equal to -4, right? What you are getting, tell me.
620, sir.
Wait. Coming. Lambda is equal to -4, what are you tell me?
620
2,
251
2,
51
uh,
-721
2.
1, sir.
Sir, mute somebody mic, sir. Now write equations, tell me. Sorry. Same story, take first two equations.
2 minus 6, 14.
6, 2, 0, 2, 5, 1. Then you can write x1 by minus x2. Don't forget it, sir. Minus x2, x3. Come on, tell. x1 is what? 2. x2 is what? 6. x3 is what? 30 minus 4. 30 minus 4, how much?
26.
26, sir.
26. In this, everything 2 will cancel or not, tell me.
1,
Yes,
3,
sir.
13.
1, 3. Then what do you get?
13.
Very good. So x3 is equal to 1, 3, 30. Sorry, minus 3. Completed. Now, you can do the conclusion. When lambda is equal to 1, eigenvector is what? x1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4. Or somebody they make it minus 2, 1, 4. Both are correct. Don't confuse. When lambda is equal to 3, x2 is equal to, what is my value? 2, 1 minus 2. When lambda is equal to minus 4, x3 is equal to what? 1, 13. This is the way, sir, finding eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Clear? Copy down fast. Find eigenvalues and eigenvectors actually this eigenvalues and eigenvalues for you will use in fluid dynamics, stress, strain, everywhere it will be useful in research field. Find the eigenvalues of and eigenvector of -2, 2, -3, 2, 1, -6, -1, -2, 0. Now first you can find CH equation. What is S1? What is the value of S1?
-1.
S1 is equal to what? You can write if you want in A11, A22, A33. S2? M11 plus M22 plus M33. 0 minus 12. Then leave this means what? 0 minus 3. 0 means what? -2 minus 4. -2 minus 4 is what? -6. Sir. What is S2? -12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 12 minus 9. How much? -21. Huh?
20.
Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
-21. Then find S3. S3 is equal to determinant of A. What is determinant? Tell me.
-45.
Very good. -45 or +45?
S3 equal to +45.
Very good. Very good. Now come on, substitute in this equation. From 1, what you will get? Lambda cube minus S1. Who is S1? Already minus. There one minus. So it's become plus lambda square plus S2. S2 already minus value, so minus 21 lambda. S3 is what? Minus S3. S3 plus, so minus 45. Now we can put lambda is equal to 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. Where it's 0, tell me. Tell me where it is 0. Put lambda is equal to 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. Lambda is equal to 1 means highly impossible. Lambda is equal to 2 means what? 8 plus 4 minus 22 into again minus value increasing. 3 also no. Minus 3 can check. Lambda is equal to minus 3. What you are getting? Tell me. Minus 3 cube how much, sir?
36
27.
minus, no, sir.
Minus
27?
3 0, sir.
Hey. No. Okay. But lambda cube value is what?
27.
27.
Minus 27.
Minus 27 plus
9.
how much? 9. Then minus 21 into minus 3 plus value. 60 plus 3, 63. Yeah. Now check. Minus 0.
0, sir.
Yes, sir. 0.
Now from this what you understand? Lambda is equal to minus 3 is 1 root. So this whole equation how can I write? Lambda plus 3 into something. This something I want to find out. Now something how you will find, go for the synthetic division. Minus 3 you can write. Then coefficients you can write 1, 1, minus 21, minus 45. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3, 6. 21, minus 21 plus 6 how much, sir?
Minus 15.
Hey, 14. 14 now it will come 45.
Minus 15, sir.
At least you can see this value and tell properly. 0, you have to get 0. So 15 into 3 is what? Plus 45. So how can I write? Lambda plus 3, already I got this value. Then lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 15. Now multiply means 15 minus 15, addition means minus 2. What is the value? 5 into 3, yeah? Minus 5 plus 3 can I take? Sir, minus 5 plus 3 can I write or not? Minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2. Multiply means minus
Yes, sir.
2. So, lambda plus 3 plus 3, lambda plus 3, lambda minus 5. Are you agree? Because lambda square coefficient 1 means you can directly convert. If it is not 1 means you have
Yes, sir.
to.
Correct, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
it is not 1 means what you have to split in middle term and you have to write. Correct? Now lambda is equal to what? Sir, this is very dangerous situation. Eigenvalues are repeated or not?
Yes, sir. Two values same, sir.
Then only our story will start. But not repeated value, if you want, you can find lambda is equal to 5, you can find eigenvalue what I said. Correct? Minus 3, don't do. I will do. Tell me lambda is equal to 5, we can find again. How you will do to find eigenvalue? Write it down, copy down first. Sir, clear or not? Am I going fast? Okay, sir. Am I going fast or not? Okay, yeah. This is okay? Yes or no, sir?
Okay, sir.
Not going fast, okay, yeah? Okay. Only one by only answering. Remaining people where they are doing, I don't know. Copy. Right. To find eigenvector, for repeated don't do, I will do. For not repeated 5 is there, that you can do. Shall I above here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. 5 we can do, sir.
5 we can do. Minus 3 I will do. First you can prepare one equation, you can frame it like this. To find eigenvector, not determinant, matrices. Notations are very, very important. Characteristic equation means determinant, it's matrices. What is A? Tell me. What is A? Sir, this is 1 minus lambda, sorry.
Yes.
This you can prepare and keep in one side. Actually, always you can use this equation. Now, actually, what I am telling, for not repeated, you can do. When lambda is equal to 5. Lambda is equal to 5, what I will get, tell me? Minus 7. 5 or minus 5?
First row -7 to
Minus 7, sir.
5 or minus 5 or lambda?
5, sir.
5.
Five.
Minus 7.
plus 5, sir.
Okay. Then 2. This is what my
-4, sir.
minus.
Minus 5.
-5, sir.
Now come on, 2. Three equations are different or not? Minus 7, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5. Correct answer? Take any two equations. So I will take first two equations. I will write x1, x2, x3. Minus 7, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 4, minus 6. Again start x1 by minus x2 by x3 by. Come on, tell me x1 by is what? 12. Oh, sorry, minus 12. Minus 12, minus 12, huh? Correct, huh?
Yes, sir. -24, sir.
Because formula 1 minus already 2 minus 3 minus, so again minus 12, so minus 24, correct, huh? X2 by leave this fellow, 42 plus 6, how much? Sorry, minus 42. Oh, plus only. 7 into minus plus 42 plus 6. How much? 48. Correct? Sir, check, sir. I may do mistakes. X3 means leave this. 28 minus 4. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir. 24, sir.
Now, throughout, can I cancel minus 24?
Yes, sir. -1, 2.
1, 2, minus 1. Agree? Or if you want, you can write -1, -2, +1. Your wish. Nothing will happen. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down fast. come on, see. When lambda is equal to minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, 3. See, from this only I can tell. First row multiplied by 2 means second row. First row multiplied by minus means third row. 3 rows are same or not? Here, very dangerous case. Sir, getting or not? Somebody asked what will happen 2 rows are equal means.
Yes, sir. All three are same, sir.
Everything.
See, in determinant one property was studied or not, I don't know, remember or not. When if 2 rows or 2 columns are same, is determinant it's become what?
0.
The X values are 0, sir.
If you take x1, x2, x3, what will happen? You know, all zeros you will get. But don't get all zeros. Is equal to 0 means what? Trivial solution. Compulsory closing your eyes. What can you say? 0, 0, 0 is the one best solution. Compulsory solution. Other than this solution, you have to tell. If you put any equation, you see, if you put 0, 0, 0, it satisfies or not. 0, 0, 0 satisfies or not. 0, 0, 0 satisfies or not. Whatever may be problem is equal to 0 means what all zeros will satisfy. Correct or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So this is the trivial solution. Obviously, this solution is satisfies. Other than this, you have infinite number of solutions. Already in matrices you have studied or not, I don't know, homogeneous equation. Constant 0, 0 means what? Determinant is equal to not equal to 0. Determinant is equal to 0 means a lot of rules will follow. Remember or not, I don't want to go back.
Yes, sir. Studied, sir.
There are lot of studies are not. Homogeneous equation means what? Determinant not equal to 0 means unique solution. Determinant is equal to 0 means what? Infinite number of solutions. Studied or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the same story here, but I don't want to go there already. Now, this, how you will do? 3 fellows are same or not? For how many eigenvalues I want to tell eigenvector, tell me? Lambda is equal to how many times coming? Minus 3.
2 times.
So, two eigenvectors I have to tell. Correct or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So, I will take actually the same thing you have done in +2 level. Parametric equation will write. Now, this in different style I am telling. Now, I will take any one equation. I will write x1 is equal to minus 2x2 plus 3x3. Can you agree? Sir, can you agree or not? Yes or no, sir? Hello? Are you there or not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agree, sir.
Yes, I agree, sir.
Tell me, sir, please, actually, you should talk with me. Then only I can be alive, actually. Whether you are alive or not, I don't know. So, x1 is equal to minus 2x2 plus 3x3. I will put x2 is equal to k1, x3 is equal to k2. My equation become what? x1 is equal to minus 2k1 plus 3k2. Agree? Okay, yeah. Now, eigenvectors, how you will get? Minus 2k1 plus 3k2, k1, k2. So, repeated roots means this is the way of doing. 2 roots repeated means 2 times I want to do actually. Up here clear, sir? Hello? Sir, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3K 1 sir or 2 sir? 3K 1 or 2 sir?
What 1 or 2?
Minus 2K plus 3K that is 1 or 2 sir.
Very good. You should tell me. Thank you. 2k1 plus 3k2. Very good. Thank you, sir. Now,
Okay, sir.
now you see. Now I want to find 2 values. First case 1 I will write. K1 is equal to 0. K2 is equal to 1. You can give any value. 10 lakhs also you can do. K1 is equal to 10 lakhs you can do. K2 is equal to 20 lakhs you can do. But better option I am choosing 0, 1, 1. Then my x1 become 10, x2 become already x1 I got. X2 you can, what is the value, tell me? Minus 2, 0, 1. Are you agree, sir? One fellow I am keeping 0, 1 is 1. It's not a matter. You have an infinite number of solutions. One solution I am finding. Now case 2. Put k1 is equal to 1. K2 is equal to 0. Then what will you tell me? 3, 1, 0. I got 2 eigenvectors or not? Sir, okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. We got, sir.
If it is
Yes, sir.
repeated, if it is repeated means you can take any one equations. K1, K2, you can put K1 is equal to 0, K2 is equal to 1, K2 is equal to 0, K2 is equal to 1. This is case of 2 roots are repeated. If 3 roots are repeated means what you will do? Such a way you can choose this value you can make 0. How you will do, tell me? Suppose you have 2 roots, 3 roots are means what? These 2 cases you can follow, you will get. Another eigenvalue you have to find out, if it is repeated means guarantee all equations will get same. You cannot able to do x1 by x2 by x3 by. Correct? Suppose 3 are same. How you will do, tell me? These 2 cases you will get. Suppose lambda is equal to -3, -3, -3. Then what you will do? Next case, third case, how you will do? This fellow you can make 0. How you will do this fellow? Tell me. This value, how you will make 0? K1 you can write this coefficient, K2 you can write this coefficient 2. K1 you can put 3, K2 you can put 2. All are plus means what? 1 minus you can go. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes, sir.
confusing?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
What? Big brain. Naveen Raja, are you married?
Sir. Sister, baby, sir.
Your baby, yeah?
Sir, sister's baby, sir.
Okay.
Came to sister house, sir. So only, sir.
Meet. Clear, sir? Any problem?
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
2 roots means clear.
Sir, no, your phone is tilted, sir.
Phone
Yes,
coming
sir.
is sitting. No, some phone coming for me. Okay, up here clear, sir? Sir, clear up to here?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So now you can write eigenvalues fully, you can write. Now, eigenvalues are, tell me, lambda is equal to 5. What is the eigenvalue? 1, 2, minus 1. Then lambda is equal to -3 means what? Values are what? 2, -2, 0, 1. Then 3, 1, 0. Tomorrow we do 3 roots are repeated means tomorrow I will stop here. I don't want to confuse too much. Up here, okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I will stop here because if I talk too much, it's become okay or not, because I will stop here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, pattern for CT1, sir.
What, sir?
Pattern for CT1.
CT1 is what? 13 into 1 marks, sir. I'll tell you, sir. 20 into 1 marks, 2 into 5, 25, 13 into 1 marks. Okay, yeah. 12 marks, they may ask 2 uploads. I will give one mock test actually you can do. Something you can upload. You have to do part B upload, right? And scan, upload. Part 1 is what? 13 marks. 13 into 1. 13 marks. Upload is what? 12 marks you have to upload. 6 plus 7 or something they separate like this. MCQ 1 marks, sir. 13 1 marks. You have to Google form will send. You can put actually jumbling actually there and there. Question and answers. And part B is what? You have to write the answer like 4 marks or whatever, 6 marks or 7 marks. Then scan and upload the question. I will one mock test we keep actually one day. Correct? You will understand how to attack. Google Forms, you have any idea Google Form?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We gave the
we
other
have
city test.
completed 3 subjects, sir.
But are you uploaded anywhere?
Yes, sir. In chemistry, we uploaded.
Then okay, clear. No, there is no need to give a mock test also. I don't want to waste your time also. Now clear then. Then Google Form itself an option will come. Upload the file like this. There you can upload. But answer sheet, you have to write every answer sheet, your name, receipt number fully, not in the shortcut, RA something fully, then your name. Everywhere, all you should write and upload. Scan all questions. In one upload, you can do all questions. Correct? Any problem?
Okay, sir. We'll try do, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then I'll stop here. Okay. Yeah?
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
But remain, see, only 24
Night, sir.
members, 24 members only attended. What about others? But inform to everyone, sir. Don't ask them to don't miss the class. Again, they want to take extra classes. I can't actually. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.